Hey, what's going on? So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to do a firmware update on a Canon M50. I assume this is a very similar process for all Canon cameras. So it's super simple. We're just going to go on the website, download the thing, and then put it on here. I watched a video about this and he left out a part that I thought was really important. So I'm going to make sure to talk about that. Now, the only reason I even knew there was a firmware update is I'm part of a Facebook group for the Canon M50. And that is run by Sagi, who runs Tech Gear Talk on YouTube. So I follow him and I've learned a whole lot about the Canon M50 and photography and technology. So check him out and let's dive right into this. All right, so I'm on my computer and I typed Canon into Google, and right there, you'll see usa.canon.com. We're going to click on that. And then up at the top right corner here, see where it says drivers and downloads? I'm going to click on that. And then we're going to type in M50 or whatever camera you're trying to do. Click on that. And then drivers and downloads right here. Click on that. It'll bring you down here. And we're going to click on firmware. And then it will show you all the different firmware updates that there are. So I was on 1.0.3 for Windows and I updated to 1.1.0 for Windows. So over here you just click select, and then we're going to agree to the terms and conditions, and then we're going to download. Now I'm just going to save it to my desktop. And it'll start the download here. It'll explain to you what to do, but we're going to jump over to the desktop and you'll see here's the file right here. And I'm going to right click on it and do extract all. Now this is where the guy didn't explain what to do, was how to extract and then the next step. This is going to put it right on my desktop. We'll do that. So here it is. Now that we've got these extracted files, it opened up the folder, but here's the folder right here on the right hand side, or on the left hand side. But here's the files that it brought. We're going to take, I think you just need this one, but I'm going to drag these two on anyway. Now he didn't say how to do that. He just said to drag the folder over, and you actually have to drag the files over. So now I'm going to take the card out of my phone and put it in my little card reader, pop this in my computer, and it brought up that. So now I'm going to, let me just make these a little smaller so we can see them both at the same time. Okay, so here is the card for the camera on this side, and here's these two files. I'm just going to grab those and drop them on there. Okay, now we're going to eject the card. All set. Now just pop this back in the camera and I'll show you what to do next on the camera. All right, so we're just going to turn the camera on and click menu, and we're going to go all the way over to the wrench and number 5. And you're going to see here it says firmware. Mine's already updated, but if it's not updated, it'll show you the old one. You click it and click it again, and mine's already up to date, but if it's not up to date, it will give you the option to install the one that you just put on, and you would just click install, and then a bar will go across and you'll be all set. But we'll see what happens here. All right, so we're just going to click OK, and then we're going to move over to OK. So see, mine's already updated, but we're going to do that, and then it will update and show you what's going on here. Okay, so once it's updated, it just restarted the camera, and you'll see here, I mean, mine was already updated, but yours now will say what version it is if it's changed. So that's it. As you can see, it's super simple to do. Hopefully that helped you out, and if it did, please give me a thumbs up down below. Consider subscribing to the channel if you're interested in more tech videos, and I do other videos about leveling up your life, but I'm starting to do a lot more about tech and how I do my YouTube channel and streaming and a whole bunch of stuff like that coming up. So stay tuned. See you on the next video.